So I did my BSc in mathematics from here. I got a gold medal for that, but 1 year before that I had flunked. So it was only on my second attempt that I managed to get a gold medal, and then I did my MS in mathematics from IIT Bombay. And after that I thought it would be much more interesting to teach people meditation and make them happy rather than teach them maths and make them miserable. You know? So though if you come for my maths classes, you will find that they are also very happening. Yeah. Now today I thought I would just go a little bit into ancient history, yeah, and then come to where we are today. Okay, so all of you have heard of the Varaha avatar? Yes? If you have not, which country are you in? The Varaha avatar is when Lord Vishnu, right? He takes the shape of the boar, and then for some reason the earth is drowning in water. We don't know why and how, but the boar lifts the earth up and brings it out of the water, right? Saves the earth, so to speak, right? Now, that may be a fantastic story and all that, but check out the shape of the earth. What is it? It's round, right? Which means that more than 10,000 years ago, we knew that the earth was round. Yes? Which Europe only accepted once they saw the Apollo pictures from space, right? In fact, we call geography Bhugol, right? It is goal, round, is it? It's not Bhutatte, right? Okay? It is Bhugol, okay? So we knew a very long time ago that the earth was round. And then we call the earth Jagat. Jagat means what? Jiski gati hai wo, meaning that which moves, right? So we knew that the earth was round. We knew that it was not stationary, that it was moving, and this was thousands of years ago. Yes? Interesting, huh? Okay, okay. Let's go a little bit into space. Now there is this star called Antares. Okay, Antares. Ares means Mars. Red. This is also a red star, so it is called Antares. We like Mars. Okay. Now it is the 15th or 16th brightest object in the sky. Alright. Yet our elders, our ancients, they called it Jeshta. Okay. Now what does Jeshta mean? You know what Jeshta means? Jeshta means the biggest, the oldest, the eldest. Now, why would they call the 15th brightest object, meaning there are many more brighter objects than this star in the sky? Why would they call it the biggest? Yes? Intuitively, something that is brighter should be bigger. Yes or no? Right? But they called this one, the 15th brightest, they called it the biggest. Turns out they were right. It is 40,000 times bigger than our sun. In fact, it is one of the biggest objects known to man. Yes. Now just imagine, you've got this group of people who have managed to name a star the biggest, and this was 5,000–7,000 years ago. Yeah, which is just a point in the sky. Okay, okay, not done with stars yet. Heard about the Great Bear, the Big Bear constellation? Yes. Okay, so we are interested in that star. Okay. It is actually not a star, it is two stars. Yeah. Now this itself is a big deal to figure out that that particular point of light in the sky is two stars. Okay. And it is called the Arundhati Vasishta. It's called Arundhati Vasishta. And in South India there is a tradition where after marriage, yeah, the husband and wife are supposed to go out in the night and look at this particular star. Okay, now funny tradition. Right? Okay. Now most twin star systems rotate like this, like one star is in the middle and the other star is going around it. This is definitely not the way a husband and wife should be. isn't it? Right? But Arundhati Vasishtha, this particular system moves like that. Now, first, to figure out that that is a twin star system. Second, to figure out that it rotates in this way and not in that way. This is not something which is easy or obvious, is it? Yes. Third, to do it without telescopes. Yeah.